Hi there, it's Scott here from Barbecue, and today we're going to be making a vegetarian pizza on our Luna Flare. So, to start with, we're going to show the versatility of the Luna Flare. We're going to roast some vegetables, some lovely summer vegetables in there to get our pizza started. What we have is courgette, we have some yellow peppers, we have some lovely Irish tomatoes, and some red onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Simple, lovely bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, very simple. So we're going to bring it over now to the Luna Flare. I have the temperature dropped down to the lowest setting on the knob here. We want to slow roast it, we don't want it to burn too quickly on top. Into the Luna Flare, 4 or 5 minutes, and away we go. Now we're going to start to roll out our dough for our pizza. 220 grams is a good weight. And now I'm going to bring over the roller and really start to roll it out. Now we're going to start putting our pizza together. So I'm just going to take you through some of the ingredients. First of all, our lovely fresh homemade sauce. We're going to put some in the middle and just gradually circle out till we get to the sides. Now we've got our grated mozzarella and cheddar. We're just going to sprinkle a small bit of this onto the base of the pizza, just going to help the rest of the topping stick onto the pizza base. We're going to bring over our lovely roasted vegetables and start to put them on. Now you could use any kind of veg that you wanted, it's entirely up to yourself. To finish, we're going to add our cheese. We've got our goat cheese. And we're going to take a small bit of the mozzarella. We want the goat cheese to be the predominant flavour, but the mozzarella just gives it the texture of what a pizza should be, I think. And to finish off, we've got some lovely fresh basil, fresh herbs, just always helps give a pizza a lovely aroma, and there's lots of lovely colours there. It's beautiful. Now, she's good. All we need to do now is put her into the Luna Flare. Before we do that, we want to make sure that our temperature nozzle is up to the very full. We had it turned down for our roasted vegetables, so just remember, we want it up full blast now for our pizza. Very important is we're going to just put a light dusting of flour onto our pizza peel, and then we'll bring it over to the oven and slide it in. Now, roughly 2 minutes per pizza should be good, but keep an eye on it. And there we have our lovely vegetarian, roasted vegetable, goat's cheese pizza.